everyone, welcome to our vlog. Today, you will be able to watch a fantastic video about the advantages and disadvantages of technology-based art. Here, I welcome Gonzaga, who will be with us throughout this video.
Hello everyone, be ready to learn and lend your ears as we are going to first discuss what technology-based art is. Technology-based art uses computer and digital tools to create and manipulate images rather than traditional materials like paint and brushes. It includes digital photographic, digital painting, computer-generated images, and video created on computers for mobile devices. What advantages can technology-based art give, Advincula?
Thank you, Gonzaga. There are many advantages that technology-based art can give. First is it can reduce waste. When using technology as your canvas, you're creating less waste. This is because there's no paper or discarded paint tubes for you to throw away. If you make a mistake, you can undo it by tapping a button instead of discarding the entire medium. Additionally, your supplies are unlimited because they are digital. Next, it enhances efficiencies. Digital media makes sharing your art and receiving feedback easier. You can package your art into shareable files to share with clients and colleagues. Although meeting in person may sometimes be easier for feedback, digital art eliminates the risk of losing papers or the art getting ruined by traveling. If your clients want something corrected or added to your art, digital mediums make it easier to do. Next, it is easier to trace. Tracing refers to mimicking a photo or image. Tracing will help you learn how to draw illustrations such as tracing a complicated building or tracing a picture to copy the lines. Just be careful of the copyrights. But everything isn't perfect. So how about we discuss the disadvantages of technology-based art? Right, Gonzaga?
Everything's not perfect, so here are some disadvantages of technology-based art. First is technical difficulties. Sometimes technology can create challenges for digital artists, such as programs crashing before you're able to save your work, incompatible files, troubleshooting, or hardware issues. It's true that in traditional art, these aren't challenges you wouldn't encounter. However, there are risks to every medium you pursue. Consistently back up your work on external hard drives and perform regular maintenance on your devices. This can help lower the risk of losing your work. Abstract product. After you create traditional art, you can hold your product and consider the results. In digital art, the screen is never removed from the artwork. The artwork is made on the device and continues to be a digital. This can be a drawback if you enjoy being able to hold a tangible product. Consider a quality print of your digital work if you would prefer a physical version to hold and display. Lastly, is diseased creativity. Working with only digital art may hinder your art skill developmental. If you skip foundation learning such as perspective, shading, anatomy, and proportion, if you continue to learn about traditional forms of art such as sketching, drawing, painting, sculpting, collage, and photography, and traditional mediums such as charcoal, pencils, oils, clay, and film, it may develop your creativity and methodologies. When you're not creating digital art, practice traditional art forms to learn and advance your general skills, and in turn, this may advance your digital artistry.
How do you see technology-based art influencing both artists and audiences? And what do you think are the main advantages and challenges that come with this form of art?
For me, one of the most advantages of the technology versus for the artists is they can save a lot of time. Why? Because they can just edit their mistakes or even the things that didn't satisfy them. And for us, the viewers, we can see their art more clearly because of the technology-based art. Sometimes technology can create more challenges for digital artists. Why? Because sometimes the program crash before they're able to save their works, and troubleshoot incomplete files, and sometimes hardware issue or hardware problems. And for us naman po, we can able to see their works because of this kind of issue. That's all po. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Influencing both of artists and audiences to the intersection of technology-based art has led to the emergence of groundbreaking tools and platforms, enabling artists to explore more new frontiers of creativity and expression. These innovations are not only redefining the boundaries of art but also how audiences interact with it. The main advantage of technology-based art is that using technology as your canvas to create less waste. This is because there is no paper or discard paint tubes for you to throw away. If you make a mistake, you can undo it by tapping a button instead of discarding the entire of medium. As the challenges for this form of art, they include art theft in the form of reporting usually without permission and without credit. Plagiarism is a form of tracing using a piece of art as a reference is one thing, and scam when doing commissions.
Technology has significantly transformed traditional art forms in several ways. Number one is medium expansion. Medium expansion, digital tools such as graphic design, software, tablets, and 3D modeling programs have created new mediums for artists, allowing for greater experimentation and innovation. Number two is accessibility. With the rise of online platforms, artists can share their work globally, reaching a wider audience and creating communities that were previously inaccessible. And number three is collaboration. Collaboration technology facilitates collaboration among artists and across disciplines, allowing for interdisciplinary projects that combine visual arts, music, and technology. However, integrating digital tools into the artistic process also presents potential drawbacks. Number one is emotional disconnection. The digital process can sometimes lack the emotional engagement found in traditional methods, potentially impacting the connection artists feel to their work. And last, in intellectual property issues. Digital realm raises questions about copyright, theft, and ownership as artworks can be easily copied, manipulated, and misattributed. In overall, while technology offers exciting opportunities for artistic growth and evolution, it also challenges artists to navigate a complex landscape balancing tradition and innovation.
In what ways do you think technology has transformed traditional art forms, and what potential drawbacks might artists face when integrating digital tools into their creative process?
Technology is evolutionary in many fields and art is no exception. In recent years, and integration of technological resources in artistic production has allowed the creation of innovative and interactive works, expanding the boundaries of what is possible in art. From using graphic design software to creating digital art, installation, and augmented reality, technology is becoming a necessary tool for many contemporary arts. This chapter will be examine how technology is changing art, providing example of work and arts using these resources to create new form of expression. Understanding the relationship between art and technology is essentially to understanding the evaluation of modern artistic production. Digital arts, for example, allow artists to use tools such as graphic design software and graphic tablet to create details and complex image that would be difficult to create manually. Moreover, technologies such as 3D printer allow for creation of detail sculpture that challenge traditional technology method of sculpture. Augmented reality and virtual reality provide immersive experience that change the way we interact with art, allowing viewers to actively participate in the arts.
How does this vlog affect you as a student who is aiming to use technology-based art for future school purposes?
Better comprehension through the use of technology. Every student basically has the world in their hands. With just a few clicks, students can easily access all the information and materials they need in order to comprehend different topics better and success in the process.